Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the right or the left turn signal, guys. Fuses, relays on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Please do not waste money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix for your turn signals after that, guys. If you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the front, rear, left, right turn signals, which fuses and relays we need to check. We'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. Let's open the hood, we'll explain what we need to do. But guys, the first fuse box that we need to check is actually on the inside of the vehicle. So we need to come inside, okay, and on the left side of the steering wheel underneath you have a fuse box hidden right here. Now you have some hidden relays. You may have more relays on top, and on the back side you have many hidden relays as well. We made a special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. It will be on our YouTube channel. Check it out. Oh, before we continue, let's quickly explain, guys, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So here, guys, what we need to check multiple fuses today. Starting here now, we're going to start with one fuse that's known as fuse number 12. So we'll come in that little bitty fuse box right here with the mini blade fuses. Okay, and fuse number 12, guys, okay, the fuse number will be listed under the fuse. That's 9, 10, 11, 12. You may have this one, we don't. The fourth fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 15, and fuse number 15 is that fuse right here. Some of you may have fuse number 16 as well, depending on the model configuration in year as well. Then you need to check fuse number 21. So that's 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Right here, 21, 22, check that fuse as well. Okay, and 23, very important fuses. Also, you have fuse number 48 and 49 here that you may need to check these two fuses. The fuse numbers on the big fuses will be listed right on top of them, so they're easy to get to. Now, we're not done, guys, and here under the hood, okay, let me show you now. Facing the engine on the right side, that's on the driver's side, you have that fuse box. This is the layout for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's explain about that first, and then we'll talk about 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. First, here we need to check fuse number 3 that fuse right here. Well, excuse me, fuse number 5. In our case, fuse number 5 right here. Then you need to check fuse number 25 and 26. These two fuses. Now, if you have 2008 to 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan, the fuse box will differ and it will look like this one here. Specifically here we'll need to check fuse number 3. Okay, that 5M fuse. And then we need to check fuse number 26. This 30M fuse right there. Those will be the main fuses that you need to check. If you don't have relays, practically those fuses are known as relay fuses that you will guys need to check. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.